Okay, welcome to our reading class for today. We are going to begin then. We need to have ready our books and our pencil case or all the materials that you need. Okay, we are going to begin. Today's class is on chapter 3, chapter 3, pages from 59, 60, and 61 to 65. Okay, so let's get ready. Chapter 3. I'm going to share my screen with you guys. Here we are. Okay, here we are. Let me just put the full screen. Okay, here we are. Welcome to our reading class for today. Is chapter 3, and the title of this chapter is Birds. Today we are going to learn some interesting facts and characteristics from the birds. Okay, what they eat, its importance, and several other vocabulary words that we are going to apply to our exercises as well. Okay, so let's get ready with our book opened on chapter 3, the title Birds. Let's begin. Here we have our first illustration. This is a beautiful, beautiful bird. And the question for today, for you to give me your opinion as a warm up, is why are birds special animals? I want you to think about them, right? They are beautiful, they can fly, they live in a beautiful family society because both birds' parents um, stay with the baby on the nest and they take care of him. So they create a beautiful family. So as you can see, birds also have very, very warm characteristics, very important characteristics. So the question is, why are birds special animals? I'm going to write down my opinion. In this exercise, you have to write down your own opinion, okay, about this question. Why are birds special animals? In my opinion, I would say that they are special because their colors are wonderful. They have beautiful feathers, so they can fly. Okay. These are characteristics that, for me, make the birds special. Beautiful colors. On their feathers, you can see different tones of the same color, like here that we have light blue and dark blue on their feathers. And because of the feathers, they can fly. Okay, that's why, in my opinion, birds are very special. You can write your own opinion, right? Your own ideas. Let's erase then our answer so we can continue. Excellent. Here we continue with our warm up. And it says, what does these birds eat? What do they eat? We are going to guess and we are going to match with a line. Okay, we are going to match. Here we have 4 different kind of birds. Number 1 is a pelican. We can find the pelicans on the ocean shores, the sparrows in the wilderness, the hummingbirds, even in our garden. If we have flowers, we can one day have a hummingbird visiting our garden. We have toucans that, if maybe, I don't know if you remember or any of you have seen long time ago in the school, we used to have a pepper tree, and every year toucans will arrive to the pepper tree and eat the pepper seeds. It was wonderful. Many and many toucans surrounding and resting in this pepper tree that we had in the school. It was an amazing event. All the kids, they will come close to the pepper tree to have a look at those beautiful toucans. So let's see today, try to guess and match, right? The bird and what does this bird eat? Let's see number one. Pelicans. What do you think pelicans eat? If they live close to the ocean shore, if they are close to the ocean, then what would they eat? Nectar, fruit, fish, or seeds? Let's see. Excellent job. Yes, very good. Pelicans eat fish. They live close to the ocean shore, so they have fish everywhere. So they can eat every single day. Okay, excellent. Let's see number two. Sparrows. What do you think sparrows may eat? They live in the forest, right? And there are many trees and different kind of trees in the forest. So what do you think they could eat? Nectar, fruits, or seeds? Let's see. Here we go. Yes, very good. The sparrow eats seeds. Excellent. Good job. Then we have number three, the hummingbird. As you can see, has a very long beak. Over here, look over here. It has a very long and thin beak because with this beak, he drinks from the flowers, right? So what does the hummingbird eat if he drinks from the flowers? Nectar or fruit? Very good. Excellent answer. Yes. It takes out of the flower with his long beak the nectar. Here we have the flowers. Okay, so he eats and drinks nectar from the flowers. So that leaves the toucan as the last one with the only answer left that it is fruits. Okay, the toucans, they eat fruits. Excellent. Okay, let's repeat. Pelicans eat fish. Repeat. Very good. Sparrows eat seeds. Excellent. Hummingbirds drink nectar from the flowers. Let's repeat. Hummingbirds drink nectar from the flowers. Excellent job. And finally, toucans. The toucans, they eat fruits. Wonderful. Very good. Okay, let's erase the answers. Here we go. We erased the answers so we can move on. Here we are, page 61. Turn the page in your book to page 61. And it says, follow the lines and write the correct words. Here we have the lines through the dots that we are going to follow, and we are going to discover the correct word for each of our drawings. We have from 1 to 6, and we are going to follow the lines. Okay, you already know how to do it. I'm only going to help you with the word that we discovered from following the lines. Let's see number 1. We can see the arrow pointing to one part of the bird. So what is the name of this part of the bird? Excellent. Yes, very good. Okay, the name is Beak. Very good job. You already followed the lines, right? So it's beak. Let's have a look. Number 2. We have these objects in number 2. And if we follow the line with our colors, we are going to arrive to the word excellent. Yes, shape. Very good job. Okay, these different objects that we have over here have different shapes. Very good. Number 3. Let's follow the line from number 3 and we will arrive to its proper name. So what is number 3? Let's see. There we go. Yes, excellent work. This number 3 represents the word seed. Very good. Excellent. Let's continue. Number 4. Following the dots, and we arrive to the word. Let me see. Very good. Yes, that's it. Is hook. Very good job. Number 5. Number 5, we have here a very dangerous object, and it is dangerous because it is sharp. So you can cut yourself with this object because it is very sharp. Let's see number 6. Number 6. We have an arrow, right, showing us this part of the darts. How are they? Let's describe them. Yes, they are pointed. Here we have the word pointed. Very good job. Okay, babies, let's repeat. Repeat after me. How about that? Yes, excellent. Repeat after me. Beak. Very good. Shape. Excellent. Seed. Wonderful. Hook. Excellent. Number 5. Sharp. Well done. And number 6. Pointed. Fantastic. Excellent. Well done. Okay, we are going to erase the answers. I'm sure you already finished. And we will continue with the exercises. Very good job. Here we are. Page 62. We have the story of the bird's beaks. These are specific characteristics that all the birds have. They all have different kind of beaks. And some of them are small, some are long, some are thin, others are thick. It all depends, but they are very hard because they use the beak to obtain their food. So the beak is not soft. It is very hard. Okay, so they can use it as a specific tool to obtain food. Let's read the story together. Are we ready? We are going to read the story together. Let's see, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Birds eat with their beaks. Each bird's beak shape is good for eating different kinds of food. Sparrows eat lots of seeds. They have short, thick beaks. They open the hard seashells with their beaks. Then they eat the seeds inside. Eagles, here's an eagle. Eagles eat animals like rats and rabbits. Their beaks look like hooks. They are very sharp and powerful. Eagles can eat meat easily with these beaks. Okay, excellent. Imagine that all of the birds, they have different kinds of different shapes, beaks with different shapes. For example, the sparrow, he eats seeds. He opens, look over here, we can see the sparrow opening seed shells with his beak. The seashells are very strong and he can open them because he has a very powerful beak. So very good job. Excellent. Then we have an eagle that is a bigger bird with a more powerful beak because he needs a stronger and bigger beak because he has to hunt rats and rabbits. And these animals are fast, right? So he needs to hunt this kind of animals so he can eat his food. Excellent. Okay, let's answer the question. Let's focus. And the question says, why do birds have different beaks? Why do they have different beaks? Some are small, others are big and long and sharp. Why do they need different kind of beaks? Well, let me tell you. I'm going to write over here the answer. I'm going to give you one answer. If you have extra information, it's okay. You can give me more information in that question because this is kind of a discussion question. So you have your opinion and I can help you with more ideas. So I'm going to give you my opinion and you can give me yours or you can give me more ideas. Okay, so why do birds have different beaks? Because they need a specific kind of beak to eat different kind of food. There we go. Okay, remember that this is what we said. Let me write it at the top because we cannot see it too well. So let me write it again. Let's see, and we are going to change the color. That way it's going to be easier. Because they need a specific kind of beak to eat different kinds of food. There we go. Okay, this is the answer for let's focus. Let's put it, let me see over here. Let's see what we can do so we can stay over here. Okay, sweeties, there is the answer. All we need to do is add a little bit more of information, right? Or give me your own opinion because they need a specific kind of beak to eat different kind of foods. Okay, excellent. Let's erase it and let's continue to the second part of the article. Here we are on page 63 and it says, herons love to eat fish. They use their long pointed beaks to catch them. Okay, they catch fish. Hummingbirds, here we have a hummingbird, like to drink flower nectar. Their beaks are very long and thin. You can have a look at the beaks over here. They are long and thin. Hummingbirds can easily put them inside the flowers. So they put their beaks inside the flowers and they drink the nectar from the flower. Birds' beaks are useful. Yes, they are very useful. Muy útiles. Let's find other beak shapes at the zoo. Okay, here we have, now that we finished our article and we have learned more about the birds and their different kind of beaks. We are going to answer the next discussion question that says, the question is connect to yourself. And it says, which beak shape do you like best and why? In this occasion, you have to give me your own opinion. Which one do you like the best? We have sharp beaks, we have long beaks, we have pointed beaks. Okay, so tell me, what kind of beak do you prefer? Which one do you like the best? And you tell me why. I'm going to give you my own opinion. Okay, to Miss Annie, the best beak is the beak of the hummingbird. Why? Because I prefer the long, thin beak from the hummingbird. Why? Because he can drink from the beautiful flowers. Okay? Because he can drink from the beautiful flowers. For me, this is very interesting. It's a great characteristic. Okay, so here we have it. I prefer the long, thin beak from the hummingbird because he can drink from the beautiful flowers. This is my opinion. You can give me your opinion, okay? Excellent. Let's erase it. And let's continue to page 64. Here we have our first set of exercises from the reading comprehension section. It says in letter A, choose the best answer. We are going to choose the best answer. What is this passage mainly about? We just read it. So what is the passage mainly about? It is about different types of bird beaks, or the lifestyle of the birds, or the birds and other animals. We just read, and we read about the beaks of the animals, remember, of the birds. That means that the answer is letter. Excellent. Yes, well done. Letter A. The passage is about different types of bird beaks. Let's see number 2. Sparrows have beaks. Let's see what kind of beaks does the sparrow have. Long and thick, short and thick, or short and thin? We just read it from the article, and the answer is, who can tell me? Who can tell me? Excellent. Yes, it's letter B. Sparrows have short, thick beaks. Very good job. Excellent. Let's continue with number 3. What do eagles like to eat? What do they like to eat? Eagles are those big, beautiful birds with big, thick, strong, and powerful beaks. So what do eagles like to eat? They eat small ants, small seeds, or small animals. Do you remember what we read on the story? We said that the eagle hunts rats and rabbits. Remember that we said that the eagle hunts rats and rabbits. That means that he eats small animals. Very good. Number 4. What do herons catch fish with? Okay, these beautiful birds that are big. What do they use to catch fish? What do herons catch fish with? With a sharp beaks? Or does a heron use a long, fat big or long pointed beaks? Do you still remember from the story that we read? What do herons use to catch fish? Is it A, B, or C? Let's see. A, B, or C. Excellent, very good job. Well done. Okay, he uses long pointed beak to catch fish. Well done. Excellent, very good job. Very, very good. Let's see the next exercise that says check true or false. Remember that we are on page 64. So true or false. Sparrows use their beaks to open the shells. Is it true or false? Well done, very good. It is true. Number 6, here we have number 6. Follow the order of the exercises on your book. Remember that we are on page 64. So number 6, hummingbirds drink flower nectar with their long, thick beak. Is it true or false? We have to read very careful this question, because it can be a little bit confusing. So hummingbirds drink flower nectar from their long, thick beak. True or false? Let's have a look. Excellent job. Very good. The answer is false, because the hummingbird drink nectar with their long, thin beak, not thick, but thin. What's the difference between them? Thick es grueso. Thin is delgado. There you can see. So he drinks flower nectar with their long, thin beak. That's why it is false. Number 7. Why is each bird's beak shape different? Why are they so different? Because all the birds have different kind of beaks, shapes, length, and if they are more or less strong from each species or each kind of bird. So let's see. Number 7. Each shape is good for blank kinds of food. Each shape is good for kinds of food. Okay, what does he mean by this? Each shape is good for, what do they do with their beaks? For eating. And what do they eat? Different kinds of food. Very good. Here it is. Here is the solution to number 7. Each shape is good for eating different kinds of food. Excellent. Well done. Okay. Now we can erase the answers. Here we go. So we can continue with the last exercise. We are erasing the answers. Let's have a look. And then we may continue. Excellent. Okay, we finished page 64. Here we are, the first part of 65. It says, fill in the blanks with the words from the box. Here at the bottom of the page, we have the box with different words. Let's read them. Meat, seeds, short, pointed, thin, and flower. Okay, we are going to use these words to complete the information for each bird. So let's begin with the sparrow. Let's see what information do we know about the sparrow. The sparrows eat. What do they eat? Let me see. Do they eat meat, seeds, short, pointed, thin, or flower? Excellent, well done. Yes, that's the answer. Eats seeds. Very good. Then it says, the sparrows have, what do they have? Blank, thick beaks. So we are describing the beaks of the sparrows. So what do they have? They have, let's see, how are their beaks? Short, thick beaks. Excellent, well done. Then we have the eagles, this beautiful big animal with this powerful beak. So what do they eat? You still remember what does the eagles eat? Does he eat flour? No, right? Thin? No. Pointed? No. Short? No, this is a characteristic. Seeds? We already used it. And meat? Yes, very good. That's the correct answer. Excellent. They eat meat. And they have hook-shaped beaks. Then we have the herons. Let's continue with the herons. They eat fish. Okay, well done. Yes, we know that it has that long beak because they eat fish. And they also have long, how are their beaks? Let's see. They have long, and what else? What characteristic does it have? Very good. They have long, pointed beaks. Excellent. Yes. Very good. Good job. Very good. Hummingbird. Let's see. The hummingbird drink. What does it drink? It drinks flower, flower nectar, thin, thin nectar, pointed nectar, short nectar, or what does he drink? Let me see. Excellent. Yes. Where do you find the nectar? He drinks flower nectar. Finally, the last question. It says that the hummingbirds have long, something extra, beaks. Okay, they are long, but they are also thin. Very good job. Excellent job. Okay, here we have the sparrow, eagle, herons, and hummingbirds. Now we discovered what do they eat. We learned how the shape of their beaks and why do they have this kind of beak. Okay, very good. Let's erase the answers. Here we are, here we are. And let's continue. The last part of page 65 says complete the summary with the words from the box. Complete the summary with the words from the box. Excellent. It says the summary. Birds use their blanks for eating. Okay, sorry. Okay, here we are again. Birds use their blank for eating. What do they use to eat? For eating. Yes, very good. Excellent. Those who says beaks, they are right. They use their beaks for eating. Their beaks have different what? They have different. Very good. Excellent. They have different shapes. A sparrow have short, thick beaks. They eat lots of seeds. However, eagles eat animals. Yes, remember that big bird? He eats animals. Their beaks look like, how do they look like? They look like hooks. Very good. So they can hunt these little animals. Let's see, then it says that we have another bird. What bird is it? Herons. Yes, we're looking at the herons. Have long pointed beaks. Here we have the word herons on the box. Right, so these are the birds that have long pointed beaks. They like eating fish, the heron. And finally, we have the hummingbirds that they drink flower. What do they drink from the flower? Excellent work, yes. Nectar with their long, thin beaks. They drink flower nectar. Excellent. So it says at the end of the summary that each beak shape is perfect for each bird. That is our conclusion, and that is a beautiful conclusion because it's true. The beak that they obtain is perfect for them. They use these beaks to obtain their food, so each bird must have the perfect beak so they can eat the whatever they want, uh, whatever they want. So they need to have a perfect beak to work with. Okay, let's erase our last answers. Here we go. Here we go. Excellent. And that way, we finish our class. I want to thank you very much for your attention. Okay, I hope we all finish our exercises. If you have any question, if you need any kind of help, then you can send me a message to my um, chat. Okay, also remember that we have to send our evidence. We are going to stop sharing. Here we are. And this way we are going to say goodbye and thank you very much for your attention. God bless you, sweeties, and see you next class. Thank you very much for participation. Bye-bye. Bye, sweeties.